heaven cannot heal. They ain't do nothing for me. So I went and I looked at, behold, I show you a mystery. We shall not all sleep, but we shall be changed in a moment, in the twinkling of an eye. And that ain't do too much for me either. So I kept on going. I knew it was something in there that was gonna help me. You understand? I just had to find out what it was. And I got hope, but I'm still a little upset about this thing. And the Lord said, go to Hebrews. I said, well, Lord, there ain't no homegoing stuff in Hebrews. He said, go to Hebrews. And I began to read Hebrews. I began to read this 11th chapter, and I began to look at these great people of faith. And as I continue to read, the superscripture over top of the chapter started talking about the heroes of faith. And I said, well, I can identify with heroes because I came up in a generation where we watched cartoons and we had the heroes. If you look at I'm a movie buff. If you look at all the movies that are out now, my generation is making movies because they're mirroring all the comic books and cartoon heroes that they grew up in. As I began to look at these heroes of faith, I really couldn't put my hand on why they were supposed to get. So I thought, what you're believing God for. But the Lord reassured me that faith has nothing to do with the outcome, but has everything to do with your posture in the process. I don't know who I'm talking to today, but I want to let you know that some of you are believing God for some things. And whether you get it today or whether you never see it materialize, it doesn't change the fact that God is able to do it. And were persuaded of them and embraced. And that's one of the things that heroes do. They do the impossible. They were able to please. Though the vision may tarry, they shall church. Diggy Bones said, look, you got to make sure that you don't build stuff around us because we ain't going to be here long. That's how he talking, D. That's all right. Because in my mind, I ain't think he was going to ever die. I guess I knew he was a hero deep down on the inside. And so he said, you can't build it around us because we ain't going to be here too much longer. We could while we were there. But now it's time for you to pick up the torch and keep on moving. I labored all I could while I was there. But I'm passing the torch on and I'm still in your corner. I'm still cheering you on, telling you to run on, see what the end is going to be.
Ooh.